inside the Niger Delta.
In the race for Creekhaven is Ambassador Godknows Bolade Igali, who is also pursuing his governorship ambition on the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Ambassador Gali, a career diplomat who has served his home state of Bayelsa and the country in several capacities, intends to build a productive workforce to drive sustainable development in Bayelsa State.
Ambassador Godknows Bolade Igali, who hails from Southern Ijaw local government area, is held in very high esteem as a distinguished diplomat and thoroughbred public servant with many years' experience in service at home and abroad. By virtue of his exposure, Ambassador Igali is endowed with ideas which he intends to bring to the table for the transformation of Bayelsa State.
I have seen how societies are transformed by strong, focused and purposeful leadership, both in our country and all over the world. And with the network I have, I think it's time for me to come to drive that change that my state needs.
For Ambassador Igali, Bayelsa State, with its vast endowments in tourism and agriculture, is already blessed with enormous natural resources to attain economic self-reliance. What he intends to do to transform Bayelsa State is to achieve the right workforce to properly harness its vast resources for the sustainable development of the state.
The period when I was Secretary to Government, 2006-2007, they had never seen anybody work that way, because they're used to people going to work at 8 or 9, 10, then close at 5, maybe at most 6. They never knew that there are people that go to work at 8 and close at about 11. I mean, it's not the best way to work from point of view of medical science, but where you are in a hurry to develop, you are in a hurry to move forward with supersonic speed, you have to work that way. My dream is for me to be able to get to Bayelsa and bring all what we have to the table and galvanize our people into a productive workforce.
In his bid to clinch the PDP governorship ticket, Ambassador Igali has since set up a campaign team that will be operating from his campaign office in the heart of Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital.
This election is about our young people, creating jobs for them, opportunities for self-actualization. Our young men, any area they go into, they are the best. Think of football. Some of the best footballers this country has produced, coaches, strikers, defenders, are our people, Ijaw boys and girls. Think about entertainment. Think of academia. Think of literature. Every area. So our young people are not lazy. Our young people only ask to be given opportunities for them to excel.
Dr. Igali, a former secretary to the Bayelsa State government, ambassador to the Scandinavian countries of Norway, Denmark, Finland and Sweden, as well as consul general to the Republic of Cameroon.
Inside the Niger Delta.